These are New Guinea Impatiens, tropical plants from, you guessed it, New Guinea. Let's step into the Better Homes and Gardens test garden to learn more about it. New Guinea Impatiens produce brightly colored blooms from summer to frost, making them a fan favorite for gardeners who want a showy display. Each flower is composed of 5 heart-shaped petals arranged around a small button-like center. They are great for attracting butterflies and other pollinators since their flower spurs are full of nectar. They thrive in part shade and love nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. Make sure the soil is consistently moist. If they start to wilt, give them a thorough watering and they should bounce back in a few hours. Fortunately, New Guinea impatiens are resistant to downy mildew, a disease that can wipe out other types of impatiens. But look out for other garden pests like aphids, thrips, and spider mites. New Guinea impatiens make pretty, low-maintenance plants for container gardens. To pot them, make sure to use a container with good drainage. Separate the roots and place it in the container. There you have it! New Guinea impatiens mix well with other shade plants like the dianthus, impatiens, and sweet potato vines. The sweet potato vine specifically can have colorful foliage that complements the New Guinea impatiens well. Now that you've learned more about New Guinea impatiens, go forth and plant.